I think they're about to a really big bonfire with gas.
They're putting 5 gallons of gas in.
5 gallons of gas on this thing.
Holy shit.
That's gonna be fucking nuts, I bet. Yeah. That's gonna be... What the fuck? He's still pouring shit on there too.
Yeah. You just wait till that fucker fires up. These leaves on these fucking trees are gonna be curled over.
I'm
so
taking video of this shit. Put it on YouTube or something.
One day you'll understand. It's alright. It's okay. I don't mind. I'm sorry. I can't help it.
Not talking, texting. I started texting when I'm talking.
Just doesn't work.
No, it will when it lights. It's gonna be nuts. Do some vehicle back. Pretty sure I would too.
Oh, yeah.
Hi, my number. It is, boys. Oh, look, Colin.
Oh.
Holy fuck. There you go. Oh shit! Oh, holy fuck! That was awesome. Holy shit!
Yeah!
Damn.
Holy shit.
I felt instant win. I was dead about 30 seconds.
Holy fuck.
Wow.
We got a hose, we can bring got apples. Yeah, well there's bigger ones over there. What the fuck are you gonna do with that hose? The whole back to volleyball.
That is definitely the biggest fire I have ever seen.
Oh yeah.
Everyone's 21.
Yeah.
Oh,
You know the cops are coming.
You had to get the top of that.
I did.
Way up there. Holy shit.
Oh, I don't need my flashlight.
Oh.
Jordan, how close were you?
Yeah.
Fuck, it's so fucking hot back here even.
Yeah, I know.
Try to get it all here.